this kit consists of BMC washing kit D something lagaving lavagio Aichi gang. Oh, wow. So it comes with two of this booch for milk. I guess. Shut up. So it comes with this special fluid for air filter regeneration. क्या मैं पढ़ रहा यार, इंग्लिश क्लास नहीं गया लगता है. So yeah, this is to put for the filter, I mean the oil, and this is the cleaner. Detergent. It has detergent. इतना फिल्टर मंगाने से अच्छा भाई अपन कुछ ये कर ही देते. So I ordered this from LRL Motors जो है केरला में, and I'll be cleaning the air filter of the B20. So this is the cleaner, and this is the oil, special oil for it after cleaning. So let's go and start cleaning our air filter. So yeah guys, this is the fucked up air filter. I mean, not fucked up, it's dirty. This belongs to apna Honda B20. So I thought of, since I'm doing the work on the car and I saw this dusty, I thought of ordering a kit and getting it sorted. So this is the cleaner. What we do is, nice smell man. Fit करके put it like this. Some shots. Nice, wet and soapy. It also has an opening over here. So that now that this is applied, let it sit for a few minutes, then we'll wash it with the normal water. Put back the cover so I don't spill the detergent out. It's almost absorbing, in the foam. The liquid is absorbing. So once it absorbs the foam, then I guess it will be a soapy kind of a thing. It has to get cleansed. We put it inside. थोड़ा अंदर भी डालते हैं. क्या है ना भाई, सब जगह से साफ करेंगे इसको. This adds in 100 bhp once you clean it. I don't know how much bhp does it add. I'm not the bhp kind of a guy to know figures. I just feel like when the performance changes in the vehicle, I feel it. कि अच्छा हाँ भाई, इधर से इधर performance change हुआ है, गाड़ी अच्छा चल रहा है, the vehicle is running good. See, it's literally throwing the dirt out. It's wet now nicely and it is throwing out the dirt. Tricky. My hand is getting dirt. इसको absorb करने दो ऐसा. I think I'll show you all. हाथ गीला हो गया, but it's literally, this is the dirt that came out from the filter. This is just normal. I still have to wash it with water. मस्त wash करेंगे. मस्त हो गया अभी. I think now it's good time that it's soaked very nicely, the liquid, and it's throwing out the dirt. So पूरा गिल्ला हो गया है filter अपना. So this is how it looks before. You show before and after. I think hopefully after cleaning it should become red color. Just kidding. It mostly K&N filters come with red color. I guess I need to remove my Accord filter. Accord has a cold air intake K&N filter, so that has K&N always has that maroonish finish. This is black, so this mostly will be black only. It's not going to change the color or anything, but it's going to give a good performance. The car will breathe better, the B20 will breathe better and will run better. So yeah, I got the mounting done, waiting to, I guess today I'll go to the shock up guys. It's running coilovers, and the race concept coilovers now what I have in the car are DGR coilovers basically from Taiwan. You just get it, rebrand it, and sell it as a suspension technology of theirs. But since the rear shock up has an oil leakage, they don't have dampers for it, race concepts. And I've tried contacted them a lot of times and no reply, sadly. It's not their fault, it's our fault for going to them and picking up the stuff. So if you all really want to buy a coilover directly from the company itself, from whoever is selling the coilovers or providing you all with the coilovers. Like there are DGRs, there are KW suspensions, there are Geeko suspensions or something. Like this is what I got to know of lately while I was searching to fix the DGR coilovers on the Honda City B20 that we have. So any which way, they didn't have dampers, and no one is fixing these dampers for me. Most of the people in the south have a problem with each other, so they are like, we will not touch race concept stuff and all that. This is the report what I've got, but it's fine. It's like some people don't want to work with the products what race concept sells, but it's fine. I'm nothing against it or something like that. It's just I'm just putting this video as my personal video. I never found the after sales satisfactory. Like you have to be a bit more behind them to get your product or something like that. But now in the end I got little fucked in head, so I got mind fucked and I was like, let's do it on my own. So I found a guy who can repair the dampers on the suspension coilover. So I am taking the coilovers today to him to get it fixed, and will be fixing the oil leakage and the gas in the shock up. And hopefully if the suspension gets done, it will be sorted for a cheaper rate than what the suspension cost. And yeah, I just have to repair one suspension on it. People are asking me, I mean dealers and all are asking me to buy all 4 suspensions, which is not pocket friendly right now to me. And for that I feel that I should just repair the suspension. If it gets repaired, it would be a huge success, because I will not have to spend that huge kind of amount. And then my mounting is done. My mounting was broken on the Honda B20. I went very hard on it. I broke my mounts. So once my mounting is done, my shocks are in place. Mounting is done, I put the mounts back. Once my shocks are in place, I will eventually open the gearbox to fix the second gear issue. Now the B20 has a second gear issue. Like on the second gear, once you put it on second, it throws the gear back. It has synchronization problem, the gear synchro. So we'll be fixing that issue as well. Hopefully that also gets sorted. So after that we'll be tuning the car and all that stuff. So it's a process, like trust the process, don't trust the process. So this is the step-by-step process. So first let us get the mounts fixed and let us get the suspension fixed right now. Till that time we'll clean this air intake and my air intake pipe. So eventually I'll have a better B20 back on the road, baby. So waiting for it. So see you. So after cleaning the air filter from the tap, this is what eventually the dirt looks like. It's very dirty, the water, all the dirt came out from the filter. Earlier I'd absorbed the filter in normal water and kept, and nothing came out. The filter just became slight brown. I mean the water just became slight brown. But after applying the cleaner, this is what it is. It's black, literally black. All the dirt and everything has come out. So this is step 1 what I've done. I'll be putting the liquid again and washing it again for better outcome of this filter, and be washing the intake pipe as well. After that we'll be oiling the filter. So first let us wash it again and let it get dry completely, then we'll be oiling the filter. Okay, now since we got the filter washed twice, it's pretty clean now, clean condition. It's time to add in some filter oil to prevent dust to go in easily. Yeah, so this is the bottle, BMC filter. सील फाड़ने में मज़ा जो है कहीं और नहीं है. Absorbing a lot of oil. So it's all in falling. It's all inside over here. Yeah. So this is. So we got most of the oil filled in it like this. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. Guys, when it has oil in it and stuff. Building oil over here inside as well. You all can see this oil. So this is what the filter looks after getting dried. Very clean, very good. So now I can go and install this on the B20, and my suspension is still left to get installed, but till that time we will go and get this thing installed and start up the car. The battery also is rumored the battery died of it, so I'll be recharging the battery and fitting it back. So till then, see you all on the next vlog. Hope you like the video of the cleaning of the air intake, and hope to see you soon. Bye. Take care. Ride safe, ride hard.